there's a magic in psychodrama where it completely shifts you into this unseen world where you get to go back, go forward, and stay here in the moment, and get to explore safely things that you wouldn't otherwise have an opportunity to explore. Psychodrama to me was like a tool that made me reclaim parts of myself, to hear my voice, and to express really without fear. There's an essence about reclaiming all your parts in just the enchanting world of psychodrama, where you get to really bring in all the elements that may not just be of this world and the story that you lived. With psychodrama, you get to heal, but also to practice and to gain the things that you never had in your life. It's a method that is based on so much spontaneity and creativity, and just this very free flow of expression that I've always yearned for and missed. I think with my Experiential Weekend's experience, I began to release and shed the elements or the parts that no longer served me. I'm very grateful for this experience at the London School of Psychodrama, and it is a life-changing and a life-altering experience where you get to see things in a way that you would never see the same way again.